In this problem set, we have to check if the string is square string or not. So in order to solve this, we need knowledge about implementation and strings. And this is set under difficulty problem set. So in the question, they are given that the string is called square if the string is written twice in a row. So let's take the example A. So A is written twice in the same row. So here ABC is written twice, like the same way AB and BA. So these are the square strings. So and here if you can see A. So this can't be square because it's having odd number of letters or characters. Here it's having given number, but AB. This is not same as the second part. The same applies for here also. It's having odd numbers. So let's come to the input. So first line gives the number of test cases, and after that in every line we'll get the string, and the output has to be S if the string is square, no if the string is not a square string. So let's check some input and output. So this is odd number of characters, so definitely no. And this here is same as the second part, so S. This is having odd number, so no. Like the same way, this is yes, this is yes, this is yes, and this is no here, and this is also no, this also no, and this last one is the S. So let's figure out how we can try to implement this. So let's first take the input and loop into it, and after that taking every line as the string, and first checking if it's odd number of characters or even number. If it's having the odd, we can directly just say as no. It's having the even number of, then we can check if the first half is same as the second half. We can do by string substring. So let's get to the code then. Okay, as we said, let's just first take the number of test cases as n. So we need input. So we need that input in integer. So let's convert it to integer. So we need loop for every test cases. So we don't need a variable here. So let's go for the underscore here. Okay, for we want, let's create a function. We want to trigger that function for every loop to find the square strings. Okay, I'll just okay, we have to return something. So let's just say for the sake of the code, okay, we are printing that here, whatever we are returning from the method. Okay, for every loop, we are going to take the input as a line of string. So let's take the input here and pass it to the function. So let's take the input as yes variable. So this one is over. This part, let's implement the definition here. Definitions with method. So in the method, we can first check, as we said, if the length is odd or even. So let's check it here. If the length of the string modulus 2 is equal to 0, so this will be, So here we're checking if the length of the string is even, we can return yes. Or else if it is odd, we can return no. But after it's even, we have to check for second thing here. So we have to check the first part is equal to the second part. So we can do that here. We can check if the strings first part, we can say that from the 0th index to the half of the string. So we can take the length and divide by 2. So let's take the length of the string and divide by 2 is equal to the second part of the string. So second part will be from half of the length to the end of the length. So length of the string divided by 2, this will be the half to the end. Here length of the string. So if this is true, we can just say it as yes, or else we can say return as no. But here this divide will return as a float, so we don't need float because this substring requires an integer, so let's do an integer division here. And also we don't need this more redundant thing, we can just add this here and just put this, and when this becomes true we can just return as yes, or else we can return this as no. Let's check this for some of the example inputs. So let's give one input as here, this value is no as expected. Let's check this for a, this is giving error, so unsupported operand string int. Okay, here it got some messed up. Yep, let's check this from for the first one. This is good, and yeah, this is good. So let's take the input this and give this here and check. Okay, so yes, no, yes, yes, triple S, no, yes, 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 no, 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 yes. Okay, I think this looks good. Let's upload this. Okay, it's accepted. Okay, this is the simple problem set. We can solve this using the strings. Thank you.